Stunning home near McGees Crossroads. Open floor plan west/spacious family room, breakfast area and separate dining room. Kitchen features granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, walk-in pantry and tons of cabinet space. First also has a full bathroom and mud area front garage. Upstairs you will find a true owner's suite retreat west/sitting area, double vanities, garden tub, walk-in shower and 2 closets. 3 additional bedrooms, bathroom and laundry on second floor. Fully fenced backyard, patio and fire pit. Welcome home.